Hi guys, this is Connie, and to quote John Green when he's playing FIFA, in a stunning turn of events, it's raining. Except, in this case, it's raining buckets, and I hope that it stops briefly. Well, no, I hope it doesn't stop, because that means the kids will run straight to the bus, get on it, and we can go home that much faster. It's just going to take a little bit slower because we still have to maneuver in the rain. What would you do on a rainy day like this? Let me know. Be careful with that and enjoy. Please and thank you. And if you want to see more of the rain, more of the rain, 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 rain. Rain, 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 rain.